Surprise, part 2. I'm not satisfied. I want some flowers in here. I think I need some balance. There's some strange stuff happening. And so this was your way up, and now I'm going to decide what goes where and blow some more flowers out, because I don't see any reason why I shouldn't. So I'm going to use some more gold. And where else? Maybe right up at the top. Yeah. And I love the Quinacridone. Excuse me. I'm just having a day. This is Jasmine. That was Mayan Gold. I've got some Posidon, which is from the new Fairy Tales collection. I've got some Plum Blossom, which is a primary element. The Posidon is also a primary element. Boy, that just doesn't want to come out for me very well. I should have saved one. I'll just go for it. I've got some Sparkling Aqua. No, it's Mystique. I thought it was Sparkling Aqua, but it's Mystique. Prizm pour. And I still want at least one Jasmine with some of the sour lemon that has Orange Crush added to it. And I think I'm going to add some more of this back in here and there. And maybe I will even risk some of that over there. I may or may not wreck these. I might just pull in some petals, who can tell. I should try it with a straw. If I need more flowers, I will add them. Really don't mind if I cover up the whole top of this. I have a head rush. Wow, okay. Maybe the last one, maybe not. I definitely blew down to white where I wasn't sure I wanted to. So I kind of want to put another one here and another one there. And I'm going to try to start with some of this sour lemon and see how that works. And I've got saffron too, which might come in really handy in a minute. I'm thinking right there. Maybe a little bit in the other spot too. Saffron is a Prizm pour. Hopefully I've still got some spinability left. They're looking kind of even. So I'm going to move some bottles out of my way and see what happens when I spin again. I almost think that that needs to go, or have another flower right up at the top. Let's do that. I'm going to use some Quinacridone Nickel ISO Gold because I can. And the one at the top will probably go right over the edge anyway. Alright. I'm going to try for simpler colors in my next piece. That's nice. The centrifuge seems to have opened up some of the cells in the middle of the blooms, which is pretty cool. Kind of lost this one. I'm thinking, since I've still got time, I might want to try and fix that now. I can't see any reason not to, because it's very distracting for me. Gosh, I love the rest of them though. Especially this one, it's exotic. And I like the layered effect a lot. I need some blooms behind other blooms. This one is, I think that's going to happen again. Maybe even a couple more times. Only smaller over here. Almost want to go down here. I love willfully doing what I want when I want to. It's funny I haven't used any white with my cell activator. This is Amsterdam Black and Aussie Floetrol. I'm loving the layered look. So nice, I said it twice. I'm still being called. I'm wondering if it's going to be too even, so maybe I'm going to do it, but I'm going to do it way down low. Jasmine, saffron, and sour lemon with a little orange in it. I'm surprised, but I actually like it when the white shows up. I think that's it. I'm going to probably torch. I could spin one more time. I don't think it makes much difference anymore. I'm getting to like a certain number of colors in my flowers, so when I get to play like this, it's fun to see what comes up. So that's kind of fun. I like it. I'll probably learn to like it more. I've got paint that I can use to go over my edge. My top edge is still not covered. So this is one of my little acetate tools. I'm just going to use that right here, right now. I'm not saving anything. Not destroying any particular colors, I mean. So I guess this is going to be a separate video, not on the same day. That's what I'm thinking. Let's get down there and get funky again. Wow, those are some beautiful flowers. That looks like a leaf shape, conveniently enough. So I have blue foliage. Ha! This is a little odd. I still didn't add any petals to anything, and I have no regrets in that regard. So I love you guys. I hope you come again. I think you probably heard everything at the end of the last video, but please give me a thumbs up when you share my videos and watch them longer. You help me out. Your comments keep my morale boosted, and I really appreciate that. I do sell my art, and I give lessons at the house in Spring Hill, Florida, and this is actually looking pretty spiffy through the lens of through the monitor of my camera. Check out my link tree for a couple websites: Pinterest, Instagram, Twitter links, Facebook group, Expressionist Fluid Art Studio Appreciation Group. And underneath the video, there's spring clothing and Society 6 and Legalerist, as well as springpixels.com, Fire in America. You can have everything that I've made and created reproduced there as some of the merchandise that they offer, most of the time. Check my Amazon link for my 2 books, Because I Can and Unlimited Possibilities, and all kinds of tools and paints and canvases. And I want to say thank you to everyone for the kind words in the comments to keep my morale boosted. I really, really appreciate that. I hope you come again. I post at 10:15 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. I think I said that already. But I love you guys. You inspire the heck out of me. I hope you come again. Bye for now. I'll see you anon. Priscilla out.